Hi sir, I am Cyrus Ulak from BIS Info 3B. I am the only one who make this project for our final term. Let me introduce to you my website. Hello everyone, let's proceed to our website. Our company name is Feel Wonder. This is one of the travel agency here in the Philippines. To make this website, we have here some different links for the pages. We have there a company name or the logo itself. We have here the persuasive phrase so that it will be more attractive for the viewers or the visitors for this website. And we have here a functional button for the viewers or the visitors. If we click this, we'll go to booking page. As we go back to our home, at the bottom part, we have here popular destinations. We put here different pictures, the features, the beautiful places here in the Philippines. And then we have here a banner, and also we have here some phrase so that it will add more persuasion to the viewers. We have here a button, and also it's very functional. You click here, go directly to different destinations. As we go back to our home, the bottom part we have also we put also different pictures for our recent snaps, different pictures in the Philippines. And we have here also at the home page we have latest news for travel and tourism. At the most bottom part we have here the footer of the website. As we continue to the other pages or links, we have here destinations. These links compose of different destinations here in the Philippines. There are informations of the places. That one. As we see here, we have also button, which is very functional. If we click this, we'll go directly to the page where you can get more information about this place. Or like this is the page that gives more informations about the Palawan. As we go back to our destinations, this is very user friendly page. And then as we proceed to about us, so we click this, we have here information all about this website or our company. And we put also a contact us here so that it is very easy for the visitors to contact or to keep in touch with us. This is the page for our about us. This is the footer, just the same. And as we go, we have here the gallery. This is our gallery for our website. We put here different beautiful places here in the Philippines to attract more viewers or for more information. This one. As we continue, we have last one link. This is the book now. As we see here, we have the booking page. At first, if the viewer want to book for a tour, he must choose this one, or he must choose first what or where is the what package you want. Then if you want to choose the Siargao Island tour, we'll proceed for date and time where he is choosing when he will have this tour. If he will proceed, he will also choose what time, and then put some name here. For an examples, I use Black. This is the summary for this booking. We have here the customer name, the service, Siargao Island Tour, and the date and time, and that amount to be paid. Then book an appointment. So we have here the summary, and this is our website. Again, thank you for listening and watching.